Hello, friends. A very good evening to all of you. So, in this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important topic, that is audit of municipalities and panchayats. That is called local bodies. CMA Inter Group 2 from auditing section, and auditing section carries 50 marks. And this topic is very important for your examination point of view. So, how to conduct audit of municipalities and panchayats, that is called local bodies, by a auditor. So let's get started. And this is the last video lecture of auditing section. So, and also this topic is very important for your examination point of view. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you know that the major objective of audit of municipalities and panchayats are to ensure on the fairness and correctness of contents of the financial statement. ऑडिटर को इंश्योर करना है कि जो भी कंटेंट्स है ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, दैट शुड बी फेयरनेस एंड करेक्ट, टू इंश्योर दैट द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द financial statement must be fairness and correct. Then to report on adequacy of internal control, इंटरनल कंट्रोल का एडिक्वेसी को रिपोर्ट करना है. टू इंश्योर दैट वैल्यू ऑफ मनी इज फुली रिसीव्ड ऑन अमाउंट स्पेंड, जो भी अमाउंट स्पेंड हुआ है उसके बदले में वैल्यू फुली रिसीव हुआ है कि नहीं, वो सब चेक करना पड़ेगा. देन टू फाइंड आउट द फ्रॉड एंड एरर्स ऑन फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, that need to be checked. Okay, to ensure that the contents of the financial statement must be fairness and correct, to report an adequacy of internal control, to ensure that the value of money is fully received on amount spent, to detect the fraud or error, or to find out the fraud or errors on financial statement. Then what are the points that are necessary in order to conduct audit of municipalities and panchayats? The first and most important, to ensure that the expenditure which are incurred, that must be sure to the relevant provision of the law and is in accordance with the financial rules and regulations formed by the competent authority. To ensure that जो भी expenditure हो रहा है, that should be with the relevant provisions. Okay, and is in accordance with the financial rules and regulation formed by the competent authority, that need to be checked by auditor. Okay, then second, to ensure that the sanction is accorded by the competent authority, either स्पेशल और जनरल. जो भी खर्चा होने के लिए जो भी सैंक्शन हुआ है, दैट शुड बी इन अकॉर्डेड बाय द कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी, आइदर स्पेशल और जनरल. Okay, then auditor need to check that there is provision of funds for expenditure and is authorized by competent authority. Auditor need to check that there is specific provision of funds for expenditure and is authorized by the competent authority. Then auditor need to check to ensure that where huge financial expenditure is made, in that case that is run economically and is expected to contribute growth. Okay, this is it. Only few points are need to be understood in case of audit of municipality and panchayat. No need to write all the all the sentence, or full information is not required. Only basic information is required in case of audit of municipalities and panchayat. The major objective of audit of major municipalities and panchayat are to ensure that the contents of the financial statement must be correct and fairness, then to report an adequacy of internal control, then to ensure that the value of money is fully received on amount spent, and to find out the fraud or error on financial statement if any. Then what are the points that are necessary in order to conduct municipalities and panchayat audit? First and most important, to ensure that the expenditure is incurred that should be sure with the relevant provision of the law and is in accordance with the financial rules and regulations formed by the competent authority. Okay, then to ensure that the sanction which is made for expenditure is accorded by the competent authority, either specific or special, or you can say general, and to ensure that there is provision of funds for expenditure and is authorized by the competent authority. Then to ensure that where huge financial expenditure is made, that must be run economically and is expected to contribute to growth. Okay, so this is it all about audit of municipalities and panchayat bodies. And with this I have completed all the video lectures of auditing section. You just need to revise all the topic at least 4 to 5 times, 4 to 5 times, in order to score a good mark in exams. Okay, so thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support.